Hello and welcome to Machine Learning and Data Science program by LearnTricks EduTech. So here are some words trending nowadays, and all these are related to the one field, that is data science. So now we are in the 21st century and it is in the digital era of 21st century. So the information is oil of the 21st century, and so the analytics is the combustion engine on which we all run. Then what is in the future? So in future, the data literacy will be very critical, as well as by using the data science, every failure can be detected, and that's why the data scientist will be the highest in the demand. So we can see the Indian scenario, that is India demands for every data scientist grows 400%, that is data science is growing 4 times or 400%. So let's see why we should use the data science. So first, in healthcare, we can predict diseases, we can give the recommendations for the preventive care. In financial sector, you can detect the fraud as well as find out the tax evasion. In transport, you can optimize your resources, or you can find the best routes for your delivery services or courier services. As well as in your daily life, the internet search or digital advertising are nowadays depending on the data science. Then comes the roles and responsibilities for the data scientist. So they have to acquire data, then process, clean, integrate and store that data. After that, investigate that data and making the exploratory or initial analysis, then apply the data science or machine learning techniques, models, calculate then improve the efficiency or the results of that models, represent that results, and again make changes as per given the suggestions. Then comes the what you should require for a data scientist. So data science prerequisites are: you should have highly analytical mindset, strong mathematical skills, as well as you will require some programming skills. Then you should know the multiple technologies, curious and inquisitive. You should have ability to pay attention to every minute detail. Then you should have visualization skill, as well as you should able to communicate well, and you have to have highly organized. So if you want to ride on this data science path, or you want to travel on this data science path, you are welcome to the LearnTricks EduTech. So who we are? So we are a leading providers in IT services as well as corporate trainings. So we also help startups. So we train the students as well as industrial persons for the current industrial trends and technologies through our various internships programs and training programs, as well as our main focus is to create talented candidates or persons who can use their knowledge for taking any industrial challenges. So what you will get here means, when you are joining for internship or you are joining for training, so you will get training from the industrial experts. You will get that dedicated trainer for solving your queries and questions, as well as you will get more and more practical experience. Also, you can get the chance to work on the live projects, as well as you will get our YouTube sessions and tutorials. So if you want to join us, so please free to visit us on our social media accounts as well as our websites.